This is my designer paint kit. And I'm going to do a little reveal for you and show you what's inside. So we have a palette, this beautiful 30-pack of cold pressed watercolor paper, 140 pound. This is beautiful textured watercolor paper, very fine, it's almost smooth. Perfect for all those washes and acrylic ink. Look at my colors, aren't they spectacular? And I have a surprise. I don't have black paint in this kit. I've got black ink, and this is a 2-ounce bottle, bigger than any bottle you'll find in the stores. Fine tip, but check out my designer colors, custom selected by yours truly, me. Yep, I selected every single color. They're all custom colors. I've had these manufactured. They are my absolute favorite colors, and I work with them in my designs. In this kit, you'll also get 5 paint brushes, different kinds. We've got a fan brush, where I'm actually putting a rigger brush in here, a number 0 rigger brush, and then you'll have a number 8 and number 2 sable brush, as well as a 3/4 inch brush for doing those backgrounds. I've also included a wonderful palette knife. And this whole kit includes everything you need to start painting with Yvette. So excited. Probably won't be released until early next year. We're still in the prototype phase, but these are my designer kits. Been working very hard with the creative company who is helping me produce this and manufacture them. So thank you, the creative company. I love working with you, and this kit is amazing. Look at that. So excited. New products coming soon.